Your FastMCP server needs proper authentication, but hard-coding credentials or using shared secrets creates security risks. Here's how to implement JWT-based Auth with asymmetric keys. We'll generate an RSA key pair to create signed access tokens, then see how FastMCP JWTVerifier validates these tokens, while keeping critical security notes in mind. This method is for development only, the audience claim must match exactly, and production systems require proper key management. This is just one of several authentication options FastMCP supports. From FastMCP server, Auth providers, JWT import RSA key pair. Key pair equals RSA key pair. Generate. Access token equals key pair. Create token. Audience equals dice server. This demonstrates FastMCP's JWT authentication pattern using RSA key pairs, specifically designed for development and testing scenarios. The approach uses asymmetric cryptography, where a private key signs tokens while servers verify them using only the public key, maintaining strict separation between token issuance and validation. The audience parameter creates a binding contract between token and service, ensuring tokens for one service can't be used with another. The verification process follows a zero-trust model, where the JWTVerifier component validates each request's token against the configured public key and audience claim. This keeps authentication logic completely separate from your tool implementations, allowing you to secure endpoints without modifying business logic. The declarative configuration through JWTVerifier makes security policies explicit and easy to audit. While effective for development, this pattern requires proper key management for production use. FastMCP supports multiple authentication providers, including symmetric key options, allowing you to choose based on security requirements. The trade-off is operational complexity for proper key rotation and storage, but this becomes necessary when exposing servers to untrusted networks like the internet. Always use dedicated key management solutions in production environments. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP server, Auth providers, JWT import RSA key pair. Imports RSA key pair from FastMCP's JWT provider, a development-only utility for generating RSA key pairs and signing tokens. This enables asymmetric authentication, where the server verifies tokens using only the public key. But note FastMCP also supports symmetric HS256 via JWT Issuer for production. The audience parameter restricts token usage to specific services, requiring exact string matching during verification. Key pair equals RSA key pair. Generate. Generates an RSA key pair for JWT authentication, but strictly for development and testing only. FastMCP requires proper key management in production, with this pattern being one of several supported authentication methods, including symmetric keys. The generated keys enable secure token signing while maintaining separation between authentication logic and business services. Access token equals key pair. Create token. Audience equals dice server. Generates a development-only JWT access token using RSA asymmetric cryptography, explicitly scoped to the dice server audience. This pattern eliminates shared secrets by using private keys for signing and public keys for verification, but RSA key pair, generate, must never be used in production. For real deployments, use proper key management with FastMCP's JWTVerifier component, where the audience claim must exactly match during verification. FastMCP JWT authentication pattern. The RSA key pair and JWTVerifier components implement FastMCP's asymmetric token authentication, where private keys sign tokens and public keys verify them against exact audience claims. This development-only utility, RSA key pair, generate, create self-signed tokens for testing, while production systems require proper key management and may use alternative providers like JWT Issuer with HS256. The audience parameter must match precisely between token creation and verification, or all requests will fail with 401 errors.
The key that never leaves the server protects every client